Hello, welcome to another session of Reading Comprehension Meets General Knowledge. Today, I will talk about a topic that scares quite a few CAT aspirants. Yes, I am talking about philosophy. Philosophical passages से काफी सारे students बहुत दूर भाग जाते हैं, perhaps because they are not aware of the common terms, common jargon, or the common characters that keep appearing in these RC passages. So, I'll attempt to shed some light, of course, very briefly, on different aspects of philosophy so that you are able to place yourself better in the context of the passage and do a good job. So, we will divide the discussion into three parts. First, I'll look at what is philosophy, then, I'll cover what are the various branches of philosophy, and then some of the major philosophers. So, what is philosophy? So, philosophy as a word has got two roots. One is phil, which means love, and the other is sophis, which is wisdom. So philosophy is love of wisdom, and a philosopher is a lover of wisdom. So philosophy को समझने के लिए we have to look at some of the deeper and broader questions. These are the kind of questions that humans have been pondering over for thousands of years. These are not the questions that you have any straightforward or clear-cut answers to. ये उस तरह के questions हैं जैसे what is life, what is the meaning of life, what is the purpose of life, does God exist, what is good, what is bad, what is evil, do humans have free will, what is knowledge, what is reality, what is the meaning of existence, why do human beings live in societies, why do human beings choose a government to rule over them. इस तरीके के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं ये हम सारे फिलोसफी में डील करते हैं. Let's look at the various branches of philosophy. There are four major branches: metaphysics, epistemology, logic, and value theory. Value theory can be further subdivided into three: ethics, aesthetics, and social and political value. Metaphysics देखते हैं. Metaphysics क्या होता है? Meta is beyond and physics is physical object or physical world. So यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं what is real. Is something that can be only experienced through our five senses real, or there is something real beyond the perception of these five senses that we have. So क्या कोई something which is called transcendental or supernatural भी है? Is there some reality which we cannot perceive through these senses? What is the meaning of existence? So we are there. So what is the meaning of our being or of our existence? Why do, let's say, trees exist? Why do stars exist? इस तरीके के सारे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं ये हम मेटाफिजिक्स में डील करते हैं. एपिस्टेमोलॉजी. एपिस्टीम इज नॉलेज, लॉजी इज स्टडी. एपिस्टेमोलॉजी इज स्टडी ऑफ नॉलेज. तो यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ नॉलेज. वेयर डज जेन्युइन नॉलेज कम फ्रॉम? देन व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ नॉलेज? इज देयर अ रियल वर्ल्ड आउटसाइड द माइंड, एंड इफ सो हाउ डू वी नो इट? Then is our knowledge valid? How do we distinguish between a belief and knowledge? Now, for example, we know that the world is round. How do we know that? Or is it valid? Have we like an astronaut gone into the space and experienced and seen for ourselves that the world is round? Or we have studied or in our schools? So किस तरीके से हमने वो knowledge hold की? So how much confident are we of that knowledge? इस तरह की सारी चीजें हम डील करते हैं एपिस्टेमोलॉजी में. देन वी हैव लॉजिक. सो लॉजिक इज द स्टडी ऑफ रीजनिंग एंड द प्रिंसिपल्स दैट गवर्न इन्फरेंसेस एंड आर्गुमेंटेशन. सो दिस हेल्प्स अस ड्रॉ कंक्लूजन्स फ्रॉम प्रेमिसेस एंड ऑल्सो टेस्ट द साउंडनेस ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. कोई आर्गुमेंट वैलिड है कि नहीं है, कोई अजम्पशन वैलिड है कि नहीं है. सो इन्फरेंसेस, अजम्पशंस, कंक्लूजन्स, प्रेमिसेस, ऑल दीज साउंड फेमिलियर, डोंट दे? ये सब हम पढ़ते हैं क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग में. सो लॉजिक परमिएट्स ऑल ब्रांचेस ऑफ फिलोसफी. लॉजिक इज एक्सट्रीमली एसेंशियल टू अप्लाई टू एवरी सिचुएशन. कोई भी जो आर्ग्यूमेंट है उसको हमें उसकी साउंडनेस को इवेल्युएट करना है थ्रू दी सेट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल्स. देन वी हैव वैल्यू थियरी. वैल्यू थियरी में देखते हैं एथिक्स. एथिक्स इज व्हाट इज गुड, व्हाट इज बैड. सो देयर आर वेरियस थियरीज अबाउट व्हाट इज गुड. देयर इज वन थियरी कॉल्ड यूटिलिटेरियन थियरी that says that whatever benefits maximum number of people is good. So अलग-अलग philosophers की अलग-अलग theories हैं. Then we have aesthetics. Aesthetics is beauty. What is the role of aesthetics in society? What is art? Is your sense of beauty and my sense of beauty the same? Or if it is different, then is my sense of beauty superior to your sense of beauty? Is beauty subjective or objective? इस तरह के सारे क्वेश्चंस हम एस्थेटिक्स में डील करते हैं. Then we have social and political values. Why do human beings live in societies? Why do we choose some people to govern over us? Why do we let go of some of our freedom and choices in order to get security in return? So अगर आप देखेंगे कि human beings, how different are they from animals, or in what way they are different from animals? Animals, the way they live, there is no society, there is no government, there is no law. It's jungle law. Human beings, can we live like that? In earlier days, we did. We were always in the mode of survival. So we gave away some of our freedom and choice in order to get the security of living in a civilized life. We are not, now these days, we don't have to bother at night about somebody coming and killing us, or somebody coming and taking away our property or belongings, to a reasonable degree, of course, because we believe in law and order, and that law and order is provided by the government, and that government we have chosen in order to protect us. So इस तरह के जितने भी issues हैं, ये deal किए जाते हैं social and political value में. Then we also deal with social ideals like liberty, justice, equality in this area. So that was about value theory. Now let's quickly round up some of the major philosophers, or names of some of the major philosophers that we keep hearing or reading in different RC passages. Socrates is one of the foremost. He was one of the most famous philosophers he lived in Greece in around 400 BC. His Socratic method of questioning is very famous and still taught in many law schools. His disciple Plato, उसकी एक बहुत फेमस बुक है रिपब्लिक. तो प्लेटो की रिपब्लिक जो है वो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क है in terms of equality, justice, and all these terms. Then we had Aristotle. Aristotle was Plato's disciple, and he was a proponent of empirical evidence. So his empirical evidence theories have led to many scientific discoveries and publications. Then we have heard about Thomas Hobbes, जिसका Leviathan करके एक famous work था, जिसमें social contract theory थी, which I just talked about in the value theory. Then Immanuel Kant, his work Critique of Pure Reason is very famous. Then Friedrich Nietzsche. Nietzsche का nihilism is very famous. You must have come across this term in many RC passages. Nihilism is basically the total loss or lack of any moral values. So these are the names of some of the common philosophers that keep appearing in different RC passages. So that's it for today. This was a very brief session wherein I tried to give you some of the key terms, key jargon, and common characters that are there found in many RC passages. So I hope it helped. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you so much. And meantime, just once again reminding you, if you still face problems with your VRC preparation, you can call us, talk to us, or go to our website or go to our portal and check out the various courses that we offer. Thank you so much and have a good day ahead.